What is up, you guys? It's your boy Shade Corey. We have a POV drive today, a highway POV in fact. Oh, look at the C8. Come on, bro. Lately I've been seeing a lot of C8s outside. Let's see if we see them. Ah, look at them. I love it. I found a C8 finally. Lately, the C8s I've been running into have been women or old, like middle-aged men. I haven't seen no young drivers yet, so that's why like people pull up next to me and think I'm gonna be some old guy, and then when they see I'm just a young kid, they're like, "What the hell?" But yeah, let's play some music, cause why not? Need some good vibes. Oh, let's wait for this commercial to end real quick. You guys know I love SoundCloud. I can't play any unreleased stuff because then they might take down my video. So let's play some stuff that's already out.
hit you with a zelly.
I'm top one petty, my ass fat, fuck this bitch is gonna tell me.
For sure. She do it back, I'ma catch that, then I make her kick a welly. She even had like a snapback, rolled it to like some Pirellis. I make her happy on Snapchat, she could never get my celly.
He can't even get my Snapchat, make him hit me up on Sunny. Like damn.
And you know I keep me a G. This shit heavy. You making it put on the T if you ever disrespect me. Yes.
You don't know. And she don't know.
Yeah, you know. Like damn.
Cricket has a great network with 85G.
You guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this highway POV. I appreciate you for watching. Oh, that's tough. That truck is, what is that? Cayenne S? That truck is tough. But yeah, I appreciate you guys for watching. Damn. I really appreciate you guys watching. And I will catch you guys on the next one. Peace.